Hey there Lion Army, what's up? Today I'm going to talk about our EURUSD trade that we took with our Discord community and provide you another way of thinking when you have a solid trading strategy already. So watch this video carefully and enjoy. Alright, so typically how I use my trading strategy is I go off the 20 and 50 moving averages just off here, and I have a look at different time frames. So monthly is clearly going towards the upside. Having a look at the weekly time frame, the same thing is happening. It's heading towards the upside. Daily, what do you know? It's going up, and even the lower time frames such as the 4-hourly and the 1-hourly time frames are definitely heading up, which shows huge bullish pressure and momentum. Now the easiest way to trade this strategy is wait for a pullback. So if we get a nice pullback towards the 20 moving average, bullish engulfing candlestick as confirmation, we can go back up to confirm our trade, and more than likely it would be a profitable one. If we go down just a little bit, we can actually see a push exhaustion scenario, bullish engulfing candlestick of the 20 moving average shooting towards the upside. Could have been a very profitable trade. However, sometimes a trend just does not last. So what we have to do is break our trading strategy and try to profit a different way. So a great example over here is this EURUSD trade I sent to my VIP members on my Discord community. And as you can clearly see, the 2 moving averages is actually at the bottom, and the same thing can be seen on the 1-hour time frame. All of the candlesticks are bundled up together. The 2 moving averages are still here. It should be acting as a form of support to go towards the upside. However, I did sell rather than buy. So what they actually did is reverse engineer everything. So monthly time frame, once again, look, the trend is still towards the downside. We can see the same thing on the weekly, nice drop towards the downside, and the daily time frame was the most important because we can see a nice squeeze pattern forming, and because it's on a downtrend, very likely the squeeze pattern will break and shoot towards the downside. And we can also mark a nice area of sensitivity, which of course is a resistance. We also had our stop loss level above the 50 moving average, which is super important on the daily time frame. The 50 moving average on the daily is typically stronger than the 200 on the 4-hourly. So I knew that even if the market does pull towards the upside, very likely bearish pressure will appear in the market and push the market further down because the overall trend and direction is bearish. I'm curious if you can spot it, but another great indication was a bearish engulfing candlestick. And although the newest candlestick was forming a bullish hammer, I was not scared to take the trade because of that daily area of sensitivity and the 50 moving average, which usually reacts as a great resistance zone. So let's just quickly take a look at what happened with this trade. So a nice bearish engulfing candlestick attempt, and then another one forms of the area of sensitivity that we marked on the daily time frame, and a nice break of 20 moving average attempted to even break the 50, as you can see at the moment. What's also important when swing trading is having a look at the hourly time frame and see where the moving averages are at. And as you can see, we had a nice break over here, had an exhaustion in between the 20 and 50 moving averages, a typical move, and then bearish engulfing candlestick once again to confirm new bearish bias, and it went towards the downside. This is great news for us, so we shouldn't be scared. Everything is trending towards the downside, and the 4-hourly time frame hopefully breaks the 50 as well to go further down and reach our take profit free level. And if we have a look from entry, this trade profited us around 105 pips, which is amazing. For those of you who love 1-minute trading and scalping, you may want to watch this video next because it's a challenge I'm doing and I'm trying to double my trading account.